Umenyereri na ufashiriri wa ndigiri na njira ya gucihe njanjo ni ikinya rinyitaga itemi hari kugacirithia ukui matũra-inĩ maria ndigiri ihuthikaga na njira nene gutabania mihang'o ya ukui. Nĩ gĩtũmi gĩkĩ gĩcũngĩrĩire marigĩtarĩ a mahiũ rungu rwa rũrenda rwa gũthaitĩra nyamũ gĩtarũ-inĩ kĩa Afrika ũnyitanĩri-inĩ na rũhonge rwa mahiũ kaunti ya Narok kũhe ndigiri motungata ma njanjo cia kũigitĩra kumana na mĩrimũ ĩtiganĩte.
So this exercise actually targets both people from Kenya and also from Tanzania, so they both benefit. The reason as to why we chose this town of Posimor as compared to the countless other towns in this county is because this town sits strategically at the border between Kenya and Tanzania.
Most of the donkeys here are emaciated. They have been actually they've been carrying a lot of loads from one market to another, and you find that they have not been attended for quite a while. You find a lot of wounds. We've treated many wounds emanating from straps.
Motungata ma dawa cia kurigiriria minyoo, ndangũrũ, dawa cia gwĩkĩra mwĩrĩ hinya na kwĩgita kumana na mĩrimũ na gũthondeka ironda nĩ mamwe ma motungata maria aikari marahereirwo ndigiri ciao.
Why we are doing vaccination against rabies is that we are actually very adjacent to the park. So the cat family are so much actually in the park, and most cases we get bites from the cat family, whether they bite our dogs, the families, and then the dogs bite the donkeys. They also bite humans.
And the other one is also to build their resilience so that they can actually protect and safeguard the donkeys that they have, because this is a very key resource that they have, and it's very, very important to them.
Changamoto tunapitia kwamba hapa kuna wakati wizi ya mapunda ilikuwa kubwa sana. Wanaibia sehemu hii, wanashikana watu wa pande hii na watu wa Tanzania, wanaiba mapunda, wanapeleka pande ya Naivasha ya kupeleka kwa kichinjio. Tunashirikiana na wakuu wa vijiji na wa vitongoji wa Tanzania pamoja na sisi wa vilejelda wa pande hii na machifu na wao shirika ambayo wanakataa mambo ya kuchinja mapunda.
Matũra-inĩ ma kaunti ya Narok, ndigiri ihuthikaga gũkuĩra aikari maĩ rĩrĩa mataha kuma njũĩ-inĩ, gũkua ngũ na kumĩria magetha kuma mĩgũnda-inĩ. Oho aikari makĩgunĩka na mathomo ma ũrĩa o mangĩhota gũbacĩrĩra ndigiri. Ngĩribotera Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Ndigiri wa Nyamu.